Good afternoon, this is Paul. It's been a really good Porsche week this week. 3 days, 3 different Porsches, 2 GT3 RSs in beautiful condition, really nice low mileage, and today I've got this. This is a Porsche Turbo S Coupe. Originally and still underneath in GT Silver. However, this car has had it's a spray-on wrap. So it's a wrap with no edges. It's a wrap with perfect paintwork, and it is in the Porsche exclusive golden yellow colours. Now if I just come in really nice and close to the paintwork, you can see, hopefully you can see what I can see, it's just a beautifully smooth metallic colour. No edges, no wraparounds, nothing. With nice black detailing. Absolutely fantastic. It's indistinguishable from a car that was originally painted in this colour. Just a bit wet there, just give it a quick look. All the way around you can see this car has been done properly. There are no edges, there's nothing underneath the bonnet, there's nothing at all. It's just a beautiful paint job. It's done just over 1100 miles. It's done from new. It's going into Porsche to have its service next week. So it'll come freshly serviced with a clean bill of health. As you can see here, it's got the exclusive stripe. And if I just come in and show you here, if you look around all the panel gaps, there's no wraparound edges. There aren't any wraparound edges. It wasn't wrapped like that. It's a spray on. There's a few, they're not chips, they're flies. The flies are clearly enjoying the colour. It's just spot on. It presents inside and out just like a new car, but it just looks gorgeous. So it's been in storage as a mileage would suggest. As you can see, the wheels there are in perfect condition, as are those huge ceramic brakes all the way around. It's not a pin dent, not a chip, not a crinkle, nothing. Absolutely spotless. Got the glass sunroof. Got the carbon fibre interior trim. Extension of the leather to the door cards, on the top of the door cards. And at the top of the dashboard, as you can see, sports chrono package. It's more carbon. This is just like brand new. It's just like picking up a car from the Porsche dealer on the first day. As you can see, you've got those 14-way adjustable seats, suspension lifter, spoilers, Porsche dynamic chassis control, heated and ventilated seats. The rear of the car looks very much like it hasn't even been sat in. I'll be very surprised if it has. Even on the stone protection here, there's absolutely nothing. Now if you were to buy exclusive series from a dealer, I think that there's only one in the UK at the moment, with about 9,000 miles on, for £160,000. This is a fair bit less than that, with a touch over £120,000. So it's actually it's definitely the lowest price for its age and mileage in the UK. You can see the perforations in the leather to allow the the seats to vent. You've also got in here a wireless hands-free charging system. Electric memory seats. It's just lovely. Nice Alcantara headlining. If by any strange quirk of fate you don't like the gold, it's not difficult to take it off. Well, it's a professional job to take it off, but it's not a particularly expensive job to take it off. And then you're back to the original GT silver, which is as it came out of the factory. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you'd like to see all the photos and full specification of the car, please visit our website www.clinkardcars.co.uk. Thank you for watching.